Hello, this is Justice, and today I'm going to show you this nifty little trick that I just learned on Excel to create some different colorings to your student's gradebook. So I went ahead and just kind of created my own little gradebook, out of nothing, just so I can show how this works. And my student scores, as you can see, they range anywhere from what would be considered an F to something that we would consider an A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is click on one of your students' total grades. And I'm going to start with Alex Artworks. And just click there. The next thing you want to do is click on condition formatting. Condition formatting is something that basically creates a if-then statement. So saying if my student score is between 90 and 100, color it then a certain color. So go in, click new rule. And then you'll be prompted with a few different options here. There's 6 different options here. And each one you can change into different things as well. But we're actually not going to use this one. We're going to use format cells that contain. So it's already set to what we want. Cell value between our upper value will be 100. Actually, we want to make this greater than or equal to. I'm totally doing this backwards here. Greater than or equal to, and that would be 90. So that's saying everything that is greater than 90, we're going to highlight a certain color. Now this is the preview. This is what it's going to show. And right now it says no format set, so it's not going to change anything quite yet. So click Format. Then we want it to fill in green. And the green is going to show us that it is a high level score. Click OK. And as you see, my box turned green. So now we're going to continue to do this condition formatting, create some new rules, go in, if it's between, we're going to say 80 and 90, but we don't want to technically say 90 because that's going to include everything that is 90, and we want to make sure it is set properly. So we were going to actually set that to 89.99, so that's basically a 90. But it's still within what we would consider the B range. Click on Format, and then instead of this time making that green, we're going to make that this lighter shade. So it shows a little bit different. Click OK, and as you see, this is still above our 90 percentile, that it doesn't change. So I'm going to go ahead and create the last few rules. So I'm actually going to go ahead and pause the video and then catch myself up with the rest of the rules and show you what happens from there. What I did is I actually went ahead and just updated the rest of them and added the rest of the bracketing that we want. So anything that is less than or equal to a 59, we're going to consider red. And then between these values of 60 and 69, 70 and 79, 80 and 89, and then of course everything that is greater than a 90. We're going to click Apply and hit OK. Now it should work for just this one, and we actually want it to work for this entire column. So what we're going to do is just use this little drag down feature, and as you can see, it should highlight all of them, and it works out practically every single which way we want it to work. So now the one thing I do want to do is I want to show that it does work. So what we'll go ahead and do is we'll take this individual here, Drake Ducky, and give him a 0 on his final exam. Now the final exam is worth quite a bit of points, and as you can see, it drops his rate down to a 64.3, and we'll color it orange, which we would classify as the letter grade D. So that's how you would do that. That's how you would update your gradebook to automatically populate with different colors as you enter your student scores for grades, and it would continue to populate as you add more and more. So if you like this, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.